They be in they feelings, I be trying to make these millions. I'm just trying to chase a bag. You keep talking about the past, what you did and what you had. No wonder you always mad. I'm just trying to get by, you just grinding to get fly. You worried about the wrong thing.
We're just getting on the Harley right now, and we're about to have some fun. Y'all ready? You, my cameraman in the building. Wish I could. Yeah, so did I. I thought we were following you, and we're like, oh, yo, we beat them here? Oh, look at them. Hey, you know the boss. Is that a 110?
140.
140, hell yeah, I love those things, bro. Lit. Hey, on the way back to my house, for you guys watching this right now, I forgot my GoPro batteries at my house, and I thought I was prepared. I pulled up to my boy Finesto's house, and we realized, oh look, I'm a dumbass. I forgot my GoPro batteries, so I had to go back to my house. And on the way back, I was on Sunrise, and I literally could not see anything. My eyes were tearing up so bad, I felt like I was blinded, bro. I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I had to take my glasses off, so the tearing would right past my eyes, and then it just kept happening. I'm like, oh my god, I'm all over the road swerving and stuff. Thank God for the full face. Thank God I had a full face. Shout out to my 636, which is the reason why I have this helmet. I like the helmet more than the bike. Yeah, full face lit, bro. I hit up Simpson Helmets. They responded. They said, yo, hit me up after the holiday. And I hit them up and they left me unseen. They should send me a helmet, man. Uh-oh. We got Finesto on the garage putting in that work. What's up, man? How you doing? Chilling? Hell yeah. Chilling, bro. I'm happy it's nice outside. He's talking smack over there. He's like, yeah, you know the vibes. Okay. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna take a quick jog with him. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I'm touching this helmet. It's a movie on a Saturday. It is January 2nd and it's 50 degrees out there.
You wanna try?
Alright. You guys wanna see me be a worm?
Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed that video because I sure did. I had a ton of fun shooting it. And now it is time for questions and answers. So like I announced in last video, I'm going to be announcing questions from the previous YouTube video every single vlog. Now on to question number 1 from yesterday's vlog. Question number 1 from Eden Skates. What should I do? My bike keeps smoking. Number 1, is it a 2 or a 4-stroke? If it's a 2-stroke, smoking is okay. That is normal. If it's a 4-stroke, I would recommend turn the bike off, do not run it, and take it to your local mechanic. Get that sorted out. Hopefully it's not blown out. Let me know what happened. Keep me posted in the comment section on my YouTube channel. If it was blown up, if it was a 2 or a 4-stroke, I would like to know. Now on to question number 2. Question number 2. How many bikes and what kind of bikes you got? Gotta give us a tour, bro. Much love. Okay, well, I want to answer that question, but I'm actually shooting a vlog on all of my bikes, what kind of bikes I have and whatnot, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoy the video. And on to question number 3. This is not a question, but I like this. It is from Matthew Christie. Don't feel any pressure to drop a video every day. Just put out dope content. I appreciate you, man. And honestly, I am pressured to drop a video every single day of the year because I set a goal and I'm gonna slay that goal this year. And I just want to keep dropping content on content on content on content and content. And all the content we're gonna be dropping every single day is gonna be straight fire dope content. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Thank you for engaging in the last video, and I hope you guys engage in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like this video, comment down below, ask me a question, let me know what you want to see in the future content, and I will see you guys tomorrow. You know the vibes.
Yeah! Keep on rocking in the free world and do 631.
You know the vibes.